In this video tutorial, you will learn how to disable comments in WordPress. Comments can be problematic or simply unnecessary. You don't need comments on your About or Contact Us page. And some other undesirable aspects can be spam, trolls, self-promotion, etc. You can easily disable comments on your posts or pages, as well as your entire website. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to disable comments on future posts, current posts, and pages, as well as your media file. Let's get started. In your dashboard, go to Settings and click on Discussion. Under the Default Post Settings section, uncheck the Allow People to Submit Comments on New Posts option. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. And this will disable comments on your future posts. Now, to disable comments from your specific page or post, just go to Page. Click on Edit. And on the right-hand side of your screen, under Document Settings, you have a setting called Discussion. Click on it, and just uncheck the Allow Comments option. If for some reason you don't see Discussion setting, click on the three dots here. And make sure that the Discussion setting is checked. If you want to disable comments from all your pages, just go to All Pages. Then click on this icon to select all pages. Then click on Bulk Action drop-down and select Edit. And click on Apply. Then in the comment settings, select Do Not Allow. And click on Update. And this will disable comments from all pages. All the media on your website have an option to comment on them. Select an image and click on the View Attachment page. You can see that this image has an option to comment on it. There are two ways you can remove this, either by adding a code in your theme files or by using a plugin. If you are not comfortable with editing your theme files, then you can skip to the plugin part. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. Click on the theme functions under the theme files. Scroll down to the bottom of the code. And now copy this piece of code. I will link this in the description below. And paste it in the theme files like this. Then click on Update File. Now when you view your media file again, you will notice that the comment section is now gone. If you do not want to go through all that hassle and just use a plugin, we've got you covered with a great plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Disable Comments and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating. And you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Under the Disable Comments plugin, click on Settings. Now you get two options. You can disable comments from your whole website by clicking here. Or if you want to disable comments on certain posts and pages or media, you can select it from here. And then click on Save Changes. This is how you can disable comments in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.